Hi, everybody, and welcome to Rise. This is the newest edition of the AuthorWare tool from Articulate. So far in this module, you've looked at Storyline 2, Storyline 360, and this one is going to be a little bit different regarding the other two. A little bit of information about Rise, and I'm just going to keep this as an overview video because, again, this demonstration is meant for people that are well-established e-learning professionals and those that are more technologically competent in terms of their ability to use these tools. So I just wanted to kind of introduce this as well to the class because it is new and because it is something maybe your organization is looking to go towards. If you've used a program called Inkling, which is a web-based program that creates a lot of iBooks, interactive books for training or learning, you're going to find some similar capability with Rise. And the first thing you're going to notice with Rise is that it's web-based. It's 100% web-based. It's not something that has a desktop application. So in order to use this, you need to be connected to the web. It is going to come packaged with your 360 Enterprise group. There's a lot of different softwares that are in there as well, but from the e-learning author tool for this module, I'm choosing to use Storyline 360 and Rise, which is really the output of it is meant for mobile devices. Now, Storyline is getting better in this area, but if you're looking to do a lot of textual modules, simple graphics, things that a PowerPoint may be meant for, Rise is a rapid tool in terms of what you're capable of. So again, you follow its prescriptive template, and that's what's nice about this is that you put in your module timeline, you add some interactivity or some lesson titles, so you start to build it and sequence it out like you would have with Storyline. But what's nice about Rise is that it actually allows you to do some other things. So you have the export features, which if those of you, again, that have used LMS Authorware, you have the SCORM capability here. Now what that means is you have the ability to report on results. So if you're going to drop in a quiz, you have the ability to put it into an LMS and the LMS will report out on how well people did on that. You can set pass-fail standards. AICC is another e-learning component. It's an equivalent of SCORM. It produces 4 different files. Or if you want to just simply produce a Flash-based file with no recordability or no ability to track in terms of interaction and success on knowledge checks, you can do that as well. So this is one you're going to want to look at a little bit greater detail. This video again just serves as an introduction to what Rise is out there with the mobile capability and people able to work across the web in order to do this. This is something that Articulate has really moved into more of the novice instructional designer for basic principles. This isn't something that's going to be fancy with a lot of different interactions, not graphics heavy. It's meant to push out textual information or single high-res images out to mobile devices so they can be readily consumed and reinforced in field-based operations. For example, sales training, anything else that's related to the ability to need of information now and immediately. So this one's a really fun one. Again, I encourage you can download, again, the 360 trial version. You get access to this one as well, and it is a full functioning package that you get there. I encourage you to take a look at it and mess with some templates. You can also look at some web-based templates of Rise and just kind of see what's here, but just kind of showing you some features that you're going to see around it is, again, it's all built into your web navigation system. You can see I'm using this here in Internet Explorer, and as you know at the bottom there, it's an unsupported browser, so use it in Chrome. The reason I have this is my default is set to the, so use everything in Chrome as much as you can, enjoy the web-based aspects of it, and it's what's nice, you don't run into storage, have your tools ready, but this one kind of takes on its own interpretation, so I really encourage you to enjoy with it a little bit, but I really wanted to introduce you because some of you probably haven't heard of it. So go out to YouTube, Vimeo, watch some additional tutorials on it, visit the Articulate Forum, Community Forum Users Group, and take a look at some of the information that's there. Hope you enjoy it, guys. It's really fun, so get to use it. I'm just kind of getting fresh into it myself. Thanks.